Do you know what time it is? It is unboxing time. And I have some beautiful thing in this box right now. Let's check it out. Of course, some straps. A battery, I'm pretty sure. Damn, that's a big boy. I'm surprised. And the moment we have all been waiting for. Oh. Oh. I knew it was beautiful, but I didn't think it was this beautiful. Woohoo. Oh my damn. I think I'm shaking a little bit. Oh my. Well, guys, here it is. The A7C2. It's so like it's lightweight. Yeah, I didn't plan this video, so it can be little, you know, weird, but I just want to share this moment. I'm gonna make some review of this camera for sure. Oh my damn!